Wow, today is looking good for Teona Classic, rising 2.30% increase in price today. And of course, the market cap have also increased and hit $510 million market cap. Now, Luna has been trading with about $500 million market cap for in the past 7 days, in the past 1 week. And I'm happy because it's not easy to maintain this, because recently we saw that most crypto coins are struggling, and even Bitcoin have definitely dropped all the way from about $30,000, almost $31,000 down to 29. So even BTC have also lost some market cap, but we are happy that Teona Classic is even getting a little bit more in the past 7 days. And you can see today the price is also rising, hitting almost 2.30%. Maybe between the next 24 hours again or 48 hours, Teona Classic will be reaching about 4 or 5%. And for Teona Classic, like I said before, those that are trading Teona Classic are making money with Teona Classic. We know some people always ask me, what about crypto trading? They want to trade crypto. Which coin is the best? Well, in terms of trading, Bitcoin, Ethereum are the best coins to trade, okay? But there are still some people that trade other small cap coins, just like Teona Classic. Now, someone that is trading always take opportunity for whenever a coin is rising. Imagine you have $1,000 as a trading capital, and then you make about 2%. So you should know that 2% of $1,000 is about $20. Okay, yes, it's about $20 because $10 is just about 1%. So 10% of $1,000 is about $100. Right, 1% is $10. So if you're making 2%, that means you are making $20 on a daily basis. If you're the one that trade every day, maybe you are making 2% of your trading capital every day. At the end of the month, you might end up making about $600 to $700. So with a $1,000 capital, that's how trading works. So I'm happy that most times these days, it's Teona Classic ending the day with about 2%, 3%, 5%. Bitcoin sometimes you BTC hitting 5%, 10%. These are when a lot of traders always take opportunity from Bitcoin. They take opportunity from Bitcoin trading in order to make more money. So I believe that yes, everything is going to work out for Teona Classic, as everything is working out gradually. So let's keep supporting Teona Classic to the end. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.